Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. I'm Dr. Masin. Today I would like to present about some attack on Dvwa that running on the Kali Linux. I am Nurul Aini Ayuni, Binti Asli from class CDCDS2514. This demonstration is for educational purpose and for my individual project ITT. Without wasting more time, I will start with the introduction or the definition about what is Dvwa. So Dvwa stand for Damn Vulnerable Web Application. The purpose is to help the security professionals and developers and also the students to learn about and test for common web application vulnerabilities in a safe and controlled environment. That I said before is for educational purpose. So Dvwa is basically used in educational terms to teach and demonstrate web application security concept for testing our security tools and also improve our skills. So yeah, in this individual project, I choose two kind of attacks, which is common injection and also CSRF. Okay, so what is common injection? So common injection, also known as a shell injection, is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to execute arbitrary operating system commands on the server that is running an application and typically fully compromise the application and all its data. Okay, so as you can see, this is the login page of the Dvwa after I have done the setup on the Kali Linux. So I will just input the username, which is admin, and the password is password. Just click the login button and here we go. So as you can see, this is the main page of the Dvwa. So you have logged in as admin, it mentioned there, and at this case it's still in security level, which is impossible. So I start to make the first attack, which is the command injection. Firstly, I will set the labels of the security, which is at the lowest. So just click at the Dvwa security and select low, and then just click the button submit. So it mentioned that security level is set to low. So I can start to do the command injection. So I will start enter the IP address, which is 127.0.0.1 semicolon followed by who am I, and then click submit, and here we go. You can see at the bottom, which is www.data, it shows that this is the username of the server. So next I will show to you the next command injection, which is I will enter 127.0.0.1 semicolon ls, click submit, and here. So it's showing the help index.php and source. So all of this is showing that how the attacker can collect or gather out the sensitive data information from the server. Next, I will show how to do the command injection in the medium security level. So firstly, you just need to change the security level at the medium. So just same method, which is I will just bring the 127.0.0.1 and then N double N and then followed by S. Just starting. So it's nothing. Never mind. So I will try another thing, another input, which is 127.0.0.1 and hostname and who MI. Then let me remember, is it? Okay, so N followed by LS, and then maybe just a 2 dot. Okay, dot dot and then slash. So that's, and here we go. We can see that there is a Kali. Kali is the my on the Kali Linux username, and then there is a www dash data, and the rest is the like API and also bypass, root, captcha, cryptography. That's all there is directory files. Okay. Alright, so done with the low and also medium command injection. So now what is the conclusion of the command injection? To complete the command injection exploits weak input validation to execute unauthorized command. So obviously attackers can leverage OS command injection vulnerabilities to compromise other parts of the hosting infrastructure and exploit trust relationship to deploy attacks to other systems in the organization, like stealing their sensitive data and changing their system configuration. But yeah, of course we can still prevent the command injection, like performing the strong input validation by validating that the input is a number, and it must contain only alphanumeric characters and no other syntax or white space. Okay, let's move on to the next command vulnerability, next attack, which is CSRF, which is cross-site request forgery. So what is CSRF? CSRF is a web security vulnerability in web applications that enables an attacker to induce user to carry out action they did not intend to attack, which is it enables an attacker to partially bypass the same origin policy, which aims to stop various websites from interfering with one another. Like you can see at the image here, the attacker can easily change your email address or even the password. So here is the CSRF patch. Okay, so as you can see, there is a login form and also test credential. So let's try. So I will just input the new password to change, which is the original. My password is password, so I will try to change it to test, TEST. After click the change button, so I can just change the password from the up here, which is the link here, and I will change the password new here, test 123, and also add the password confirm here, TEST123 also. Okay, and then it will show the password changed. So in this case, the password has already changed. So if we test the credential, okay, so if we try to test the credentials, okay, so I will just input the username, which is admin, and the password is the new password I have already changed, which is TEST123. So it login yes. So in conclusion, in CSRF, the attacker causes the victim user to carry out an action that unintentionally. So for example, to change the email address on their account, to change their password, or to make a fund transfer. So to stop this, we can use CSRF tokens. Imagine that if I want to get some analogy, imagine that the tokens is like a coupon or ticket to validate that you are the true user. So which is by using the CSRF token can make it very difficult for attacker to construct a valid request on behalf of the victim. So that's all.